Hey, shut the fuck up in there, man.
Go.
Under your back.
Yeah. Hey, let's go. Yeah. Go.
My young nigga go crazy.
Fucking that bitch on right there. Ice down my neck, these hoes there. MG big bite, take 2 lanes. How about the coupe, Mike marry the jeans? Holding the bands out, I got the Glock out. 223, we gonna rock out. Hit your top, body just drop now.
Shit, I got all the bitches. And they coming to eat me up. Got a whole name, Nina, she clean it up. Shit, it might just go down in the back of the club. And the shooters, they aim for the back of the truck. Whole gang in this bitch and they like, what's up? Shit, my racks getting bigger, little nigga catch up. I'm on the addy.
I'd like to present to you A-List is bringing out Charlie's Paradise. I know y'all been hearing a lot about Charlie's Paradise and A-List all on the social media. Well, this is come out party, and we're gonna call it the smoke out party. And this is where we're gonna start the party at. So come on and join Charlie and his Angels and Saints. Peace, y'all.
Switching 4 lanes with the top down, screaming out, money ain't a thing. Me and CB in the bay with her. I send her back home so you can lay with her. Okay, let's talk about this ice that I'm...
All right, y'all, like we promised y'all, this is where we're gonna conclude our party. Well, I shouldn't say concluded. Y'all see when we started it off at on the bus, right? So this is the part 2 of it, right?
See, that's why. Nobody's not used to that.
And then when we come here, this is where you get to get the delight from Charlie. You know what I'm saying? All of Charlie Paradise and Lights will be here. We will be providing you some beverages as well as food here. And remember, the bus is 420 friendly, you heard? So after we leave here, we get back on the bus, and y'all already know, history made by then. Join Charlie, his Angels and Saints, in Paradise. Enough said.
Palace, what you thinking?
I feel like the president, or in other words, call me a veteran. I'm convinced that I passed through the element. Check the status, just watch my development. Suit and tie, yeah, I'm a gentleman. I see too many faces irrelevant. The perk dirty just boosts my intelligence. And together with fellow Americans. Yeah, I'm drippy, I'm cocky with elegance. I be fly like a bird, different pelican. And again, they come with me like Mexicans. Micah Mary look good on my skeleton. If you ask me, I think that I'm heaven sent. I be kicking cause I be in betterment. Big ol' bullet to take down an elephant. Take a trip and just watch me just settling. On the road and no see no comparison.